Have you ever made a decision that wasn't your own because you took it to someone else before you took it to God, and things didn't exactly work out the way that you envisioned? Proverbs 29:25 says, "The fear of man brings a snare, but whoever trusts in the Lord shall be safe." Y'all, a snare is a trap. And if you know anything about traps, you know that you have to set them up first. As Christian women, our setup often shows up in the form of people-pleasing due to fear of criticism, rejection, or even the pressure of accepting human opinions, right? Poor decision-making leads to disobedience, like King Saul. You remember him? He lost his throne because he wanted to please the people. Our goal is to strive to be like Daniel, to stand firm in trusting God despite our opposition. Today, y'all, choose trust over fear. If you've been hesitant to step into your calling because of what others may think, remind yourself God's plan and approval is greater than their opinion. Well, that's a wrap for 1 Minute on Purpose.